Good evening. It is Tuesday evening, and I feel like I'm going to sneeze. It's been a work at home day for me, mostly doing housework, but also doing a good bit of yard work because we do have some nice temperatures right now. So that's why no makeup or anything. In fact, I've just come in from raking leaves. So we're not going to be looking at me much. I am going to do an unboxing of the Avon order that came while I was sitting on the front porch in the swing eating my supper. This is an early Avon order that I did the very first day that I could order demo products for campaign 24. I did, and that was last Wednesday. So this should have come yesterday. Normally, if you place an order on Wednesday, it will come on Monday. But Avon let me know, and they're very good to do that. Let me know that there was going to be a delay or that my shipment might come in two parts on 2 days, and it did. Books came yesterday. The order came today. It's one big box. Well, not a really big box, but heavy box. I can't even pick it up. It's sitting on the floor. First, I'll show you what we've been puzzled because, we're always puzzling. Just happened to be right here beside it. So in between working, vacuuming, mopping, raking, pulling weeds, etc. I spend a little bit of time working on this. My husband likes to work upside down, so he starts here. He pretty much always does the outside. And he starts here, starts working in. I pick out different things and do them. So I did those two, and that little bit there. So anyway, he had most of the pieces sorted, but that's what we've been working on. So go in here to where the box is. I don't know why I flipped the camera back around. So there it sits, and it's not, as I said, all that big of a box. Minnie Mae is interested, intrigued by it, because it's got a different smell, of course. And so let's get our tape off and see. This one is going to have some goodies in it. This is demo products for 24, our collaboration products. And I'm going to be watching a video in another 30 minutes, which is another segment done on the Avon USA representatives page. You are welcome to watch that yourself if you'd like. And at 7 o'clock, Janine is going to be doing another video about the products. Okay, this right here, Avon very conveniently puts the small stuff in a sealed bag. And you'll notice a lot of lip balms in there. My nose has given me a little bit of fit because of being outside. But we've got makeup and lip balms because this is the Christmas stuff. And I wanted to go ahead and get that. This is one of those Christmas lipsticks. That's going to be the sort of vintage look here. So I've got just a few of those and a lot of lip balms because I wanted to make sure to get some of those for somebody who wants to have hand creams. And the lip balms and hand creams came as a set. So down here, I see the Chi products. I'm going to be doing a live video on here tomorrow where I'll be talking about some of these different products, the Chi products for hair care, and I'll be doing that video at 1 o'clock. I'll talk about Chi, and I'll talk about some of this makeup, and I'll have a few more bits of information about it after watching the program tonight, the live video with Janine. This one is the repairing serum for hair. So we had the shampoo, I believe it was, yes, replenishing shampoo, repairing serum. See, there's all kind of other stuff on the table, of course. This is that beautiful bottle of Black Rose body scrub and cleanser. Okay, I've used this the little sample we got at convention, and really enjoyed it. Okay, here's another Chi product, the conditioner. Put that there. There's one more Chi product, which is the thermal protecting spray for when you're using any kind of heat tools for your hair. And so you see it's got a good seal blister pack on that one to keep that from leaking out. Okay, got a few more candles here and some products that would, there's all those little hand creams. These are the little Christmas hand creams. And I've got somebody who's already called me and said, hey, I want to make sure I get those before they run out. So I went ahead and ordered them on demo. This right here is a free gift from Avon, okay? They don't have samples of these products right now, so some of us, I believe it was President's Club and above, got 3 packages, and you see how big these are? This is the Rise Water Bright Cleanser, which I should have a big bottle of down there. This is that scrub that's in this here. This is the same here. This is what we got at convention. It's that size. This is the Dr. Belmore Advanced Secret Recovery Cream. And that one right there is from the therapy. And, I'm not even sure exactly what it is. Let's see. Oh, the anti-aging formula right there. Okay. So they gave us 3 packets of these. So I will be doing something with these for my customers. I'm not sure exactly what yet. Keep some for probably 1 packet for myself, because those are great travel sizes for these. And then I'll do something for those, okay? Let's see what else is down here. Let's get the candles out. We've got Mocha Merry Mint, Cinnamon Spice and All Things Nice, and the Perfect Pine, okay? So you can kind of figure what that one's going to smell like. Pretty much figure what all of them are going to smell like. Okay, what else? Let's see, there's one of the ornaments. Down here, there is a divider. There's a little card that comes to tell us how they have gifted us with these little things, I believe. Yes, tells us about all the products in our little gift set. Actually, there must be one. Let's see, their therapy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's making it sound like maybe there was an extra something in there, but I don't think there is. Okay. Now, back to here. We've got under here the books for Campaign 24. Okay, isn't that pretty? Love this book cover. So this is the one we're going to use to start our Alana fundraiser because I like it so well. Now, way down under here, we have paperwork. There are some of those extra little flyers and outlets and the wish list. So this is going to show me what the front cover of the Campaign 26 brochure is going to look like, and that's where we will have all of these hand creams and things too. And so what could we have in here? Let's go ahead and let the cat out because she is loves the outside. She stays right around in the yard pretty much always. But what are you thinking? It's almost dark. We bring her in at night, of course, but she does like to be out in the yard. Okay, we've got a big yard, so there's no problem with her being out there most of the time. Okay, the wish list. Let's see what's going to be in Campaign 26. Okay, there are the hand creams and lip balms. And some PJs for the little girls. Sweet Treats pajamas. I've not seen all of these items. Some of them were at convention, but not all. This must be something popular that I don't know about. Bunny. Sweet Treats bunny things. And then polar bear. I don't know. Is that something on TV? I don't know. It could be that's just an Avon thing that goes with the pajamas maybe. But anyway, here's the boys' pajamas. And they've got the polar bear. He's so cute. Yeah, I remember seeing him at convention. Okay. Then we've got jewelry. Some of the bold stuff here. Glam tidings. And some a little bit more delicate here. Celestial. And what is this right here? Cluster Cluster Huggy Hoop Ornate Choker. Okay. Just very ornate, that is true. Lots of glitz and glam there. Okay. Just curious about these things since I haven't seen all of them. And some glitz and glam in the gold. This one looks like pink gold maybe? Blushing, yes, blushing jewelry. So it's got that pink gold look to it. And then some of these products again, which I've filmed demo before. They've just gotten back in here again. Okay, so that looks like the new stuff since there was so much new in campaign 24. That's all that's new in this one, just that little bit in the front. And then there's the A box, okay? They do re-demos on some of our products sometimes. Hey, Marlena, good to see you. You know what? I was thinking maybe one of the things I'll do for some of these giveaways is give them away to some of the people who actually pop in and watch my videos. So we'll see. Maybe something like that. Marlene, I'm just showing some of the products coming in campaign 26 and some of the collaboration products that I got in, okay? All right. I am going to close out here and go watch Janine talk about these products, the makeup. And I think some of the makeup is in here. Yes, this is the new cushion makeup. And she'll be talking about that and explaining more about it to us. I don't think I got one of the blushes. So, all right. I will be on here again at 1 tomorrow to talk about these products. Bye-bye.